Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your PS5 controller into pairing mode. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to put your PS5 controller into pairing mode. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first things first, you want to go ahead and turn off your controller by pressing this button here, and then wait until it shuts off. So it should take about 10 seconds. Afterwards, the next step is that you want to go ahead and press the share button first, and then press the logo here at the same time. And then what we're going to wait for is for it starts to blink blue, and there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your PS5 controller into pairing mode. So at this time, you could actually go ahead and pair it with any device, maybe your iPhone, maybe your laptop, whatever you want to use to go ahead and use this as the remote. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.